There's a safer, more efficient, and cost-effective way to keep yourself, your employees, and customers safe from COVID-19 and other pathogens. Trusted and used by the CDC and other government organizations, this solution is used globally by some of the most recognized companies in the world. Introducing First Place Science, the next generation of disinfecting and sanitizing technology. EPA certified, FDA compliant, OSHA and NSF approved. This powerful disinfectant and all-purpose cleaner instantly kills 99.999% of pathogens and viruses like COVID-19 at the cellular level. First Place Science is safe to use, and it is not harmful to people, animals, food, or equipment. It is odorless, environmentally friendly, and non-irritating to the skin. Once applied, it can be left to dry and does not have to be wiped away, which dramatically cuts down on time and labor cost. Customers include hospitals and healthcare facilities, schools and universities, airlines and transportation services, meat and vegetable treatment plants, hotels and convention centers, restaurants and entertainment venues, sports stadiums and arenas, and many other environments. First Place Science can be applied using various spray methods, such as electrostatic handheld and backpack power sprayers, drone sprayers, and of course handheld bottle sprayers. Now that you know the solution, shouldn't you be using First Place Science? The next generation of disinfecting and sanitizing technology.